Stop letting your best industry insights die in a forgotten blog archive. Your boring blog posts are actually a goldmine of untapped revenue waiting to be unlocked. While your competitors waste weeks on manual video production, you can transform stagnant text into high-converting LinkedIn ads in under 3 minutes. Traditional video production is a massive hurdle that is costing you professional attention and scalable growth. Why start from scratch when your best scripts are already written in your company blog? Today, on AI Tech, we are bypassing the struggle. We are going to use VideoGen's automated engine to turn static words into dynamic, lead-generating assets right now. We are proving that you can replace manual scripting with a scalable, automated workflow that converts professional readers into high-value leads. Turn your archive into a motion picture powerhouse today and capture the attention your brand deserves. Let us address the harsh reality of the digital landscape in 2026. Every single day, brilliant companies publish high-quality, long-form blog content, white papers, and detailed case studies. These documents contain incredibly valuable industry insights. They contain the exact solutions your target audience is desperately searching for. But there is a massive problem. They sit in a digital graveyard, entirely unread and underutilized. In the modern era, corporate executives, decision-makers, and business owners do not have the time or the attention span to read a 3,000-word wall of static text. When they are scrolling on their glowing smartphone screens or looking at their desktop monitors, static text completely fails to stop the scroll. The modern professional feed, especially a premium network like LinkedIn, is highly competitive. If your content is not moving, it is invisible. This is where we introduce the concept of content resurrection. We must shift our marketing strategy from relying on passive reading to commanding active viewing. You need video, but you do not need the headache of traditional video production. This is exactly where the VideoGen architecture completely changes the game for B2B marketers. VideoGen is not just a basic video editor. It is a highly advanced artificial intelligence engine designed to understand context. The workflow is so seamless that it feels like magic. You simply take the URL of your existing blog post or copy and paste the raw text from a forgotten white paper and feed it directly into the VideoGen dashboard. Instantly, the AI engine ingests the raw data and begins to map out a logical, highly engaging video storyboard. You do not need to write a script from scratch. The engine automatically identifies the highest impact hooks, the most crucial data points, and the strongest calls to action hidden within your text. It extracts the gold and discards the fluff. But the true genius lies in the 2026 updates to VideoGen's automated B-roll selection. The artificial intelligence understands the subtle nuances of your specific industry context. If your blog post is about financial technology, it does not just grab generic office footage. It selects high-quality, premium corporate B-roll featuring modern data centers, futuristic glowing charts, and serious executives making decisions. It matches the visual aesthetic to your professional tone perfectly. By eliminating the grueling process of manual script writing and footage hunting, VideoGen allows you to focus on high-level marketing strategy rather than getting bogged down in tedious production details. Now, we must talk about precision engineering specifically for LinkedIn. LinkedIn is not TikTok, and it is not Instagram Reels. The visual requirements for high-converting B2B ads are vastly different from casual, entertaining social media content. On LinkedIn, you are speaking to CEOs, managers, and potential investors. Your video must look expensive, authoritative, and incredibly polished. VideoGen allows you to configure the output for this exact professional aesthetic. The platform features built-in corporate motion graphics, sleek transitions, and a modern design language that commands respect. Furthermore, there is a critical technical factor you must consider for LinkedIn: the silent play environment. The vast majority of professionals browse LinkedIn on their desktop computers at the office or on their phones during a commute, with the sound turned completely off. If your video relies solely on a voiceover to deliver the message, you will lose 80% of your audience instantly. VideoGen solves this automatically. The engine generates dynamic, eye-catching text overlays and bold captions perfectly synced to the message. Even if the viewer is watching in complete silence, the core message of your ad punches through the screen. Your stagnant blog post has now been transformed into a visually striking, silent selling machine tailored specifically for the professional feed. Let us walk through the rapid deployment workflow in real time. Imagine you have a dense, highly technical legacy white paper that took your team a month to write. Traditionally, turning this into a video ad would require hiring a freelance scriptwriter, renting a studio, booking a professional spokesperson, and waiting 3 long weeks for a video editor to deliver the final cut. That process drains your marketing budget and destroys your agility. With our new workflow, you paste that same white paper into VideoGen. In under 3 minutes, the AI condenses the core message, selects premium cinematic B-roll, and applies a flawless, human-sounding AI voiceover. You can actually validate the quality of these AI-generated voiceovers immediately. They are not robotic. They feature natural breathing, proper inflections, and professional pacing that meet the highest global brand standards. If a transition feels slightly off, you can swap the B-roll with a single click. What used to be a 3-week stressful production cycle is now a 3-minute automated process. You are taking a document that generated 0 leads last year and transforming it into a 30-second, high-intent video ad ready to be deployed into your advertising campaign today. The ultimate goal here is scaling your lead generation. When you remove the friction of video production, your entire marketing mathematics change. Let us analyze the shift in your cost per acquisition. If you can move from producing 1 expensive video per month to generating 10 highly targeted video ads per week from your existing blog archive, your reach expands exponentially while your production costs drop to near 0. This unlocks the superpower of rapid A/B testing. Because the cost of creating a video with VideoGen is so low, you no longer have to guess what your audience wants. You can take a single blog post, break it into 3 different sections, and use VideoGen to create 3 unique video creatives. You run them simultaneously on LinkedIn and watch the data. Does the audience of decision makers resonate more with the data-driven hook or the emotional pain point hook? You let the market decide, and you scale the winner. You are finalizing a roadmap to turn a stagnant, dusty archive into a self-sustaining engine for professional leads. You are not just making videos. You are building an automated digital sales team that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The creators and businesses that win in 2026 are those who leverage AI to work smarter and faster than their competition. Stop letting your hard work go to waste. Transform your text into motion. Capture the leads your business deserves. To help you implement this exact B2B workflow today, I have placed the direct link to VideoGen in the description below. Click the link, paste your best blog post into the engine, and watch your new high-converting LinkedIn ad come to life in minutes. Scale your business with AI. Try VideoGen today. Link is in the description.